Hi, welcome to Devplus. Let's explore the journey together. Oh, looks like someone has some troubles. Is there any way for him to get these? Let's follow him to see what's new out there. It's not good if you keep going like this. Don't worry, let Devplus help you. There's no time left. Let's be strong together. First, we need to undergo through Challenge Day with experts to assess students' entrance competences through online and offline tests. Students who are lacking career guidance, young and inexperienced individuals are finding the way to proceed their project. At this very moment, mentors with high proficiency will appear to accompany and assist you, unlocking many interesting opportunities. That's the reason why we call this stage Mentor Me. Oh, and we also have Devcathon Day, an important event in your training process. In this event, students are guided throughout their participation in the Mentor Me program. Oh wow, your personal qualities are gradually being developed. Excellent. Genius, guys. Hey, look, the skills have already been enhanced. Finally, we've identified the core value of the bootcamp, which is mindset. These include creative thinking, adaptability, and self-learning. On-job training is the time when you're guided to work with a professional framework, helping students develop according to the needs of business and learn how to work like a real developer. And through this, we've achieved the skill set that includes skills such as communication and research when working in collaboration with their team. And finally, hybrid training is the process where you are able to enhance your personal skills in using tools such as AI, IoT. Congratulations! That's a long 3-month process, and you truly deserve it. And your competency framework is now complete. It's time for Ready to Work! Students with a high-quality competency framework will be hired by corporates in the Devplus network. But you also have projects with international partners. So, are you ready for your plan with Devplus?